is our Gullah Geechee National Appreciation Week proclamation. And I'm going to ask Councilman Glover to come forward to read that proclamation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. I'm going to ask Queen Quet to step up here to the podium with me. And on behalf of Mr. Somerville, who could not be here in person, I am in charge to do this task on his behalf. So, Paul, I hope I do you well. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. This is a proclamation, whereas Africans began arriving on the Sea Islands in the 1500s, and whereas the population of these Africans increased as chattel enslavement grew in the 1600s, and whereas these Africans began to engage with and in some instances created families with indigenous Americans in the region, and whereas the descendants of this group are called Gullah Geechee, and whereas this group of self-sufficient people came together in 1999 throughout the Sea Islands, the Low Country of the Carolinas, Georgia, and Florida, to stand on their human rights to self-determination, and whereas this group took 1 year to elect their own leader, and whereas this elected and installed St. Helena Island native whose family roots were stemmed from Palawana and Dartall Islands, Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and whereas Queen Quet has served as the official head Pundibadi and spokespersons for the Gullah Geechees since July the 2nd, 2000, and whereas the 21st anniversary of the Gullah Geechee Nation is being celebrated under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Land and Living Legacy, and whereas we support the continuation of the Gullah Geechee cultural heritage and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee Nation, now therefore be resolved that Beaufort County Council does hereby proclaim this week of July 31st, through August the 8th, 2021 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and call upon all our citizens to celebrate with the citizens of the Gullah Geechee Nation under the theme Celebrating Gullah Geechee Land and Living Legacy, the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and is signed and dated the 26th day of July by our Chairman, Joseph Pasterman, Jr.
All right. Thank you, Councilman. Appreciate it.
And you have the...
I have the podium.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Good evening, Hunter Chilla. How Hunter to do? Y'all ain't be yet me anything like that. Mike ain't no up tall. Or Hunter just can't crack your teeth like that shit. Y'all come here. All the Hunter Chilla to come here except him. Okay, that way though. So I'll speak like this for y'all come here. How about that? That works? So yes, I'm so glad for day one more again, and it's a blessing to have this presented tonight, this week, that is the Olympics week. Because what Councilman Glover didn't know is that as I watched the Olympic ceremony the other night, I remember the academic Olympics. When I won, when I won gold medals, and he was the person that adorned me with the gold medals. And so I had no idea that I'd walk in here tonight and he would adorn me with this. I was waiting for my medal next to go around my neck too. But I'm so glad if I had this show this evening for all the family in the Gullah Geechee Nation, especially here in Beaufort County. And I just want to say on behalf of the Cultural Protection Overlay District Committee, the CP Committee for St. Helena Island, this is an honor and it's timely because we have received an EPA Building Blocks grant, which adorned the St. Helena Gullah Geechee Living Landscape that we are working on to build resiliency for my home island, St. Helena Island, and it ties directly into the military installation resiliency review that I'm working on, and I'm also now on the team with the Pew Charitable Trust to also protect our salt marshes for the Southeast, and there's a number of other initiatives. So all of these things tied to the United Nations work for 30 by 30 planning and also the UN Sustainable Development Goals that I've been pushing and working on for years. And so it's a blessing to finally have all this celebrated right here, where we did from and things like that in beautiful Beaufort by the Sea. And we want to keep it that way for generations to come. So this Saturday, for the first time in history and in our story, we will launch the week here on St. Helena Island. Saturday at the corner, as some of us call it, but the Martin Luther King Memorial Park on St. Helena Island. Hona can't miss me and things like that. If you know how to get to Penn Center, you can't miss me. We're going to be there right there on the corner. And so that will be noon to 3 Saturday. There's going to be good food. Bring your dancing shoes. Bring a positive attitude. We're going to have a good time, all right, on Saturday. And the week will continue. And the following Friday, we'll actually be here in Beaufort. We'll be at the Legacy Gallery at 5 to 7 for the first Fridays over on Bay Street. So come on over, get some nice artwork, have a good evening, and all of that. So if anyone wants to know all the other events in between, just follow GullaGeecheeNation.com, Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, or at Gullah Geechee on Twitter. And by the way, Gullah is G-U-L-L-A-H, Geechee is G-E-E-C-H-E-E, and a no I in Geechee for the week. Okay? So we want to make sure that all the 100 children can come, join me, celebrate who we be. And we thank God that we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. Thank y'all. We're going to keep on fighting to hold on to the land.